how to add a video to your eBay listing. So let's get started. First, what is this eBay I'm talking about? Okay, so eBay is an online marketplace that allows individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide variety of goods and services. So to start, all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type eBay. And this is eBay's interface. You can see here different products and so on. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to simply click sell. You can see it at the upper corner. Tap this one. And once you tap this, then you will see here the process and procedures and how to sell or make a listing here in eBay. So you can see step 1, step 2, and then step 3. Now, once you're okay with this and you fully understood everything here, then what you're going to do is you can now tap this list an item. Now you can start a listing. Go to the search icon right here and then search for the specific product or category. For example, your product is all about home decor or minimalist home decor. You could just simply type it right here and then tap the search icon. However, there are times that you can see this we ran out of suggestions. So you can just simply look or tap from any suggested here that is close to your category or find a suitable product. So you can just simply choose from any of this here, but you can also tap this continue without a suitable product. So you can just simply add or upload the image of your product. So let's just tap this continue without a suitable product. After that, they will ask for the details of your product. So let's just say if your product is new, used, or from any of the option here. So let's just say you're going to sell an item that is new. So continue to offer. And you have to, convince them that you're 100% human. And then after that, you need now to complete the offer. So as you can see, our tutorial is all about how to upload video. And if you tap this option right here, you can upload a photo, let's say photo first, from your gallery, from web, and or from Gallery Plus. Okay, if you tap this question mark icon, then it would tell you the exact information on what type of photo you need to upload and information about the video that you can upload here on eBay. Now, let's just say you wanted to add a video and you want your video to be really fantastic. And of course, you want to add some decors, you want to add something on your video. So I highly suggest to use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool and it's fairly easy to use. You can just simply create an account here in Canva and then look for that exact template, add your photo or your product here, and then share, download. Download it in MP4, PDF, photo, PNG, everything is up to you. But since it's all about video, so we're going to convert or upload this into video. Now you can now upload your video, and as you can see here, it takes time. So here on your eBay, your video cannot be visible directly. You need to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes as it is processing. Uploading a video on eBay can take some time, depending on several factors such as including file size, internet connection speed, and eBay's processing time. So the reason why it may take some time is that the file size, internet connection speed, video format, eBay's processing time, and browser issues. Also, you will see this notification. We will review the video. If everything is okay, it will be approved within 48 hours. So post or edit the offer now. Once it has been approved, the video will be visible to your buyers. Okay, so you have to wait for 48 hours. It will not be visible for the meantime, which you can see later at the end of this tutorial. So as you can see, you can drag this video and make it as your main display or main cover because it's not possible. So you can only upload or make a picture image here as your main display or main cover, but not your video. So make the most wonderful image for your display or for your main photo here using Canva or with the help of Canva. After adding some picture and of course your video here on your email, you can now add title, description, and so on. So for the title, you can just simply add here like home decor. Everything is up to you. For article category, you can just simply add here or tap this pencil icon to edit. So in short, in this page, you can just simply add information, everything here. Like after you create or edit a listing, you can enter basic information such as the title, category, provide detailed product information such as description. So write a detailed description of your product, include important features like specifications and condition if it's new, used, or refurbished. You can also add item specifics, fill in item specific relevant to your product. You can also set pricing and payment options here in this page, the price and the payment methods. In this page, you can also add shipping details such as a shipping options, specify shipping methods and cost here, the handling time, indicate how quickly you'll ship the item after receiving payment. Also, once you have added the photos and videos, you can also go to return policy. Return options, you have to specify your return policy, including whether you accept returns, the time frame for returns, and the condition items must be in for a return. After that, you can preview your listing. So before finalizing, you can preview your listing to ensure all information is accurate and looks appealing. Check for spelling and grammar errors as professionalism matters. Also, tips, you must be honest and accurate. You can include everything here in your information. So provide truthful information about your product to build trust and avoid disputes. Also, let me indicate this that you can also suggest a price here. For example, if the price or the bidding stops at 55, you can now, sell the product or accept the payment automatically. So, conclusion, adding a comprehensive and accurate information to your eBay listing is crucial for attracting buyers and ensuring a successful selling experience. So once then adding information about your product, always review. And then after that, you can now preview your product before you publish this. So make sure that everything is okay, everything is correct, the price, the name, also the information. So by following the steps and tips, you can create effective listing, not only inform potential buyers, but also enhance your chances of making a sale. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.